Hi students, in this video we are doing lesson number 3rd bank exercise. So first is rapid fire. In that you have to write the fill in the blanks. First one, the address of a cell or a cell range is called cell references. Second, formulas are used to perform calculations on the given values. Third one, the first spreadsheet on a personal computer was called VisiCalc. And fourth one, AutoSum helps to automatically total the contents of cells. Second is, tick the correct option. First, an Excel formula always begins with answer is C and equal sign. Second, which of the following is an example of function? Answer is B, sum. Third, which of the following is an example of operator? Answer is C, asterisk, multiplication sign. Fourth one, dash are ready-made formulas in MS Excel. Answer is C, functions. Okay. Next one is true or false. First one, MS Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet named as sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Answer is true. Second, numerical formulas allow you to manipulate text strings. Answer is false. Third one, the ampersand operator is used to link one or more text strings. Answer is true. Fourth one, count numbers function return the smallest value in a series. Answer is false. Fifth one, a sheet tab cannot be renamed. Answer is false. Sixth one, average function finds the average of the numbers given to it as argument. Answer is true. And last one, the plus sign helps you to concatenate string. Answer is false. Okay. Next one is unscramble words. Here the 5 unscramble words are there. You have to do them same as it is in the copy. Okay. And next, missing letters. Again, 5 missing letters are there. You have to do them same as it is in your computer copy. Now, answer the following questions. First one is, what is formula in Excel? Explain with help of an example. Okay. So, this is your formula's answer. Do it in the copy as it is. Okay. Second, what are operators? Answer is, operators are used to perform calculations on the given values. The table given below shows the use of various operators and their functions. You have to make the table same as it is. Okay. What is concatenation? Concatenation means to join something. Text formula allow you to link 2 or more text strings. The procedure of linking the text strings in a series is called concatenation. The ampersand operator is used to link 1 or more text strings. Fourth, write the steps to create a text formula. So, to create a text formula, perform the following steps. All 3 steps you have to write in copy. Fifth one, what are functions? Name some of the functions. So, functions are here and some names are given here. You have to make the table like this: function, sum, round, count. Just below this count, you have to write this average, min and max. I don't have space here, that's why I have written here. You have to make a straight table like this. Okay, and this is the answer. Define average function. So this is the answer of your average function. Copy it. Write the steps to use max function. To use max function, perform the following steps. All the steps, 5 steps are given here. Last, what is AutoSum feature? So AutoSum feature is one of the most popular features available in MS Excel. It helps to automatically total the contents of cells. That's it in this exercise. In our next video, we will start with lesson number 4. Till then, finish your homework. Okay. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.